So here we have the plank position bird dog. Now, very advanced core exercise, which challenges you to be able to integrate your core, integrate sort of your upper body and lower body working all together. Now, in this position, we have to set up in a plank position. What we're looking for is that your position is that your core is stable and engaged. When we start to move the arms and the legs at the same time, which we need to do, we're trying to make sure that the body is not moving around as much as possible. Over time and repetition, you'll start to see that the stability that you have is supported because your shoulders getting more supported and strong, and your hip joints are starting to be stronger because you're trying to be able to stay still while reaching out. I would look to some technique points is I would look for you to really get your arm in line with your ear, so bicep in line with your ear. So when you're lifting up, you should be in this position as best as you possibly can rather than here. And then also when you're kicking your leg out, you want to make sure that you're kicking your heel out rather than pointing your toes. It's a very good exercise for, again, shoulder stability, whole core integration. And really, when you're kicking your leg out, it's really making sure that you understand how to contract your glutes rather than thinking that it's just kicking your leg out. You want to make sure that you can see that your glutes are fully activated while you're kicking out as well. So very, very good advanced exercise. I would recommend doing anywhere from even, I did there three reps each side. You can do, I would say 3 to 5 reps each side, maybe 2 rounds. That's all it probably needs. So if you want to obviously advance yourself, you can maybe do 6 to 8 reps each side, 2 to 3 sets. Give that a go, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a DM at any time.